College students, your laptop usually doesn't just die without warning. Most of the time, it gives you signs that something is wrong before it completely fails. And when your laptop has your assignments, projects, notes, photos, and maybe your entire college life on it, you don't want to discover the problem the night before your final. Welcome to Tech Tuesday. Today we're talking about 5 warning signs that your college laptop may be about to fail. Sign number 1. Your laptop is getting extremely slow. If your computer suddenly takes forever to start, programs are slow to open, or everything seems to freeze for a few seconds, don't automatically assume, my laptop is just getting old. Something else could be happening. Your SSD or hard drive could be developing problems. You may be running out of storage. You could have too many programs running in the background. Or you may even have malware. Quick tip: open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Check your CPU, memory, and disk usage. If your disk constantly stays close to 100%, that's something worth investigating. Sign number 2. Your laptop is overheating. Does your laptop feel extremely hot? Is the fan constantly running at full speed? Does it suddenly become slow when you're gaming, editing video, or even just browsing the internet? Your laptop may be overheating. Dust can accumulate inside the cooling system and block airflow. And here's something many students do without realizing it. Don't use your laptop on your bed, pillow, or blanket. The soft surface can block the ventilation openings underneath the laptop. Use it on a hard, flat surface whenever possible. If overheating continues, the laptop may reduce its performance to protect itself or even shut down unexpectedly. Sign number 3. Random freezing, crashes, or blue screens. You're halfway through writing a 10-page paper. Suddenly, blue screen. That's not something you should repeatedly ignore. One crash doesn't necessarily mean your computer is dying, but if it keeps happening, you could have a problem with your RAM, SSD, Windows installation, drivers, or another hardware component. If your computer is crashing regularly, back up your important files immediately and find out what's causing it. Don't wait until it stops starting altogether. Sign number 4. Your battery doesn't last anymore. Remember when your laptop lasted 6 or 8 hours? Now you're desperately looking for an outlet after an hour? Laptop batteries naturally lose capacity as they age. But there's another warning sign you should take much more seriously: a swollen battery. If your laptop case is separating, your keyboard is lifting, or your touchpad suddenly looks raised, stop using the laptop and have it inspected. Don't try to push the case back together. A swollen lithium-ion battery should be handled properly. Sign number 5. Strange noises or startup problems. You press the power button. Nothing. Then you try again, and suddenly it starts. Maybe you're also hearing clicking, grinding, or unusual fan noises. Don't ignore those signs. A clicking mechanical hard drive could indicate drive trouble. Grinding or rattling could come from a failing cooling fan. Intermittent startup problems could involve the battery, charger, charging port, or other internal components. The earlier you diagnose the problem, the better your chances of preventing a much bigger repair. And here's probably the most important advice in today's Tech Tuesday. Don't keep the only copy of your college work on your laptop. Imagine spending 3 months working on a final project and losing everything because your drive failed. Keep important assignments in cloud storage, such as OneDrive or Google Drive, and consider keeping another backup on an external drive. Your laptop can be replaced. Your semester's work may not be so easy to replace. So remember these 5 warning signs. Number 1, your laptop suddenly becomes extremely slow. Number 2, it's constantly overheating. Number 3, you're getting freezes, crashes, or blue screens. Number 4, your battery isn't holding a charge, or it's starting to swell. And number 5, you're hearing strange noises or experiencing startup problems. If your laptop is showing any of these symptoms, don't wait until finals week to deal with it. Sometimes a relatively small repair today can prevent a much bigger problem tomorrow. I'm Peter with PCD Business Solutions, and this has been your Tech Tuesday Talk. If you found this helpful, follow us for more computer repair, cybersecurity, and technology tips. And I'll see you next Tech Tuesday.